If the person you are looking for holds a professional license, you have a significant advantage because licensing creates a public record that the licensee has a strong incentive to keep current. Nurses, contractors, real estate agents, insurance producers, barbers, engineers, accountants, security guards, and dozens of other occupations are licensed at the state level, and most states publish a searchable verification portal. What you get typically includes the licensee's name, license number, status, issue and expiration dates, and often a city or a business address of record. The renewal cycle is the key. A license renewed recently means the state had working contact information for that person within the last year or two, which is fresher than most records you will find anywhere. Disciplinary history, when published, can also surface a current employer. If your subject moved states, the same profession is often licensed in the new state, which turns a locate into a straightforward cross-state check. Our research team searches these systematically. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.